Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a good day. This is teacher Nada, your teacher for the session. Welcome back. Okay, so our title is Expressing Ability. Okay, like things that you can do and things that you cannot do. This is your ability. Okay, let's see you in the learning outcomes. Okay, so simply these are things you are supposed to know by the end of the session, so let me read them for you. So number 1, you will be able to use can and can't to express ability. 2, talk about your own abilities in different sports. 3, write a short paragraph about your favorite sport. Okay, so here we have our warm-up activity. Simply, can you see this image? Yes, we have to answer these questions. Question 1, what sport is this? Yes, it's basketball. Good. Question 2, can you do this sport? Yes, you can. Okay. Well, so who is good at the sport? Your sister. Wow, that's amazing. Okay. So now, you have to go and watch a video for 3 times. When you come back, we will answer a couple of questions together. But first, let me read the questions for you. So question 1, what can Omar do? Question 2, what can't Layla do? Question 3, who can play basketball well? Yes, now please go and watch it for 3 times and I'll wait for you.
Can you swim, Layla?
No, I can't, but I can run very fast.
That's great, I can swim, but I can't play basketball well.
My brother can play basketball, he's really good at it.
Can you swim, Layla?
No, I can't, but I can run very fast.
That's great, I can swim, but I can't play basketball well.
My brother can play basketball, he's really good at it.
Can you swim, Layla?
No, I can't, but I can run very fast.
That's great, I can swim, but I can't play basketball well.
My brother can play basketball, he's really good at it.
Okay, so let's answer. First one, what can Omar do? Yes, he can swim. Okay. Question 2, what can't Layla do? Yeah, she can swim. Well, question 3, who can play basketball well? Yes, Layla's brother. Thank you. That's awesome. Okay, so let's see on the vocabulary part. Okay, we will learn some words related to our topic, which is like abilities and sports. So the first one is run. Please repeat. Run. 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 Yes. Jump. 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 Swim. 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 Okay. Cycle. 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 Right? Like to ride your bike. Okay. Throw. 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 Like يرمي. Catch. 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 And catch is the opposite of throw. When you throw something, another person catches it or catches it. Yes. Kick. 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 Okay. Balance. 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 It's like توازن. Compete. 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 And this is a verb, by the way, معناها يتنافس. To compete with other people or other person. Train. 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 Stretch, like doing stretches. Stretch. Stretch. Score. This is the final result of a play, maybe, or a race. Score. Score. Yes? So let's have our first practice. So simply we just need to match the words with the sentences, like match together. Okay, number 1, to move fast with your legs means, yes, run. Okay, to move your body up in the air. Jump. 3, to move in water. Swim. Okay, to ride a bicycle. Yes, cycle. Okay, to push a ball using your foot. Yes, kick. Okay, to move your body before exercise. To stretch. Okay, to practice for a sport. To train. Okay, of course not the train that we take. Yes. To catch something in your hands. Catch. To play a game against others. Yes, to compete. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's see on the phonics part. Okay, so here in the phonics, we will compare between the short vowel sound and the long vowel sound. Okay, let's listen and notice the difference. Here in the short one, I say can. Can. Okay, in the long one, I would say cane. So, in the short vowel, it says its sound, like sound. While in the long one, it says its name, a. Here, when. Okay, sound. In the long one, it's wine, wine. Yes, okay, perfect. Okay, and now let's just see you in the reading part. Okay, here in the reading, we have a small passage that we need to read together. Well, so my name is Adam. I love sports. I can run fast and jump high. I can also throw a ball very far, but I can't swim very well. My sister is different. She can swim like a fish, but she can't kick a football. We both like to train every weekend. Maybe one day we can be champions. Okay, that's awesome. All right, so let's answer the questions together. Question 1, what can Adam do? Yes, he can run fast and jump high. Okay. Question 2, what can his sister do? Yeah, she can swim like a fish. Perfect. 3, what do they do every weekend? Yes, they train every weekend. Good job. Okay, so let's see in the grammar part. Well, here in the grammar, we will learn how can we use can and can't to express our abilities. So simply use can to talk about abilities. I mean things that you can do, like you're good at. For example, I can run fast, I can sing, I can dance well, okay? But use can't to talk about things that you are unable to do, like you cannot do it. For example, I can't swim well. I can't play football. I can jump high. Okay, good. Yes, let's have our second practice. And simply as we know, we just have to choose the correct answer. So yeah, I swim fast. Yes, I can swim fast. Okay, 2. He not throw the ball very far. He cannot. Perfect. 3. We play football together. We can play football together. Okay, 4. My sister jumped very high. Cannot jump very high. Good job. Well, can you ride a bike? Yes. 6. They compete in the race. They can. 7. She balance on one foot. Yes, she can balance on one foot. Good job. Okay, let's see in the speaking part. Okay, so simply here I need you to speak about what can you do. So if I asked you what sports can you do and what can't you do, like one thing and the opposite, okay? How can you answer? Simply you would say, I can, but I can't. So for example, for me, I can play football, but I can't swim, okay? Yes, my friend can, but he or she can't, just the same. So speak about something you can do it and something you cannot do it. Okay, let me ask you, what did you learn today? Yeah, that's awesome. And this actually marks the end of our session. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next session, inshallah. Don't forget your homework.